The 1981 Ford Bronco is an undeniable classic, a true off-road legend that remains a favorite among enthusiasts even decades later. Built on the robust Ford F-Series chassis, this third-generation Bronco carried forward the spirit of adventure and rugged durability that the nameplate was known for. Under the hood, the 81 Bronco came with a range of engine options. The base model featured a 4.9-liter inline-six, producing 120 horsepower. For those craving more power, Ford offered two V8 options, the 5.0-liter 302 cubic inches delivering 133 horsepower and the 5.8-liter 351 cubic inches producing up to 156 horsepower. Paired with either a 4-speed manual transmission or a 3-speed automatic, this Bronco was built to tackle both highways and rugged trails with ease. One of the standout features of the 1981 Bronco was its part-time four-wheel drive system, equipped with a manual locking hub or an automatic engagement option. This allowed drivers to conquer rough terrain, deep mud, and rocky paths effortlessly. The coil-sprung front suspension provided improved ride quality compared to its predecessors, making it not only tough but also comfortable for daily driving. The design of the 81 Bronco was boxy, bold, and built to last. With its removable fiberglass rear top, it gave owners the option to enjoy open-air driving perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The squared-off front grille and round headlights maintained its rugged yet classic appeal, while chrome bumpers and optional two-tone paint jobs made it stand out. Inside, the cabin was surprisingly spacious and well appointed for an off-road SUV of its time. With comfortable bucket seats, a redesigned dashboard, and an upgraded instrument panel, Ford aimed to provide a mix of practicality and comfort. The rear bench seat was foldable, adding extra cargo space when needed, making it a great companion for camping trips or hauling gear. The 1981 Bronco wasn't just about looks and power, it was also a reliable workhorse. Whether pulling a trailer, hitting the dirt trails, or cruising down the highway, it proved to be a versatile SUV. Its strong build quality meant many of these Broncos are still on the road today, cherished by collectors and off-road lovers alike. Over the years, the third-generation Bronco has gained a cult following. Restored and modified examples can be seen at car shows, off-road events, and even in classic movie scenes. With its undeniable charm and unbeatable durability, the 1981 Ford Bronco remains an icon in automotive history. For those lucky enough to own one, it's more than just a vehicle, it's a piece of American motoring heritage, a symbol of adventure, and a timeless classic that will never go out of style. Let us know in the comments, would you take a stock 1981 Bronco or customize it for the ultimate off-road build? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Car Craze for more classic car content.